Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how you can check a concrete pump car that can be used for concreting work. I will explain the main structural parts of the concrete pump car. The concrete pump car consists of the boom, concrete pressure pipe, hopper, outrigger, turntable, and end hose. Here, we will learn the 12 checkpoints required to be checked for safety before operating the concrete pump car. 1. Check that the work plan is kept in the cabin or work area, and ensure that the work details are fully understood. All pump cars entering the site must undergo non-destructive testing within the last 6 months before use. 2. Check that the work area is established using safety facilities, and ensure that a banksman is placed. 3. Check that outriggers are extended to the maximum on both sides, and that the support is installed so that it does not exceed 2 levels. 4. Check that the alarm operates normally when the outrigger is not extended. 5. Check the braking device and the control device operate normally. 6. Check that the remote control device operates normally and that operation is stopped when the emergency stop button is pressed. 7. Check the main structural parts such as boom, slewing device, etc. for deformation, damage, and loosening, and check that there are no abnormalities in the assembly and operating parts. 8. Check the hydraulic device, cylinder, for abnormalities such as leakage, and ensure that the pressure gauge operates normally. 9. Check the pressure pipe for abnormalities such as damage and deformation, and check that the recovery device is firmly fixed. 10. The end hose shall not be extended by more than the length specified in the manufacturer's manual, and check that the whip check safety cable is installed. 11. Check that a cover is installed on the hopper, and ensure that it is not open while the pump is operating. 12. Check that the boom is at least 3 meters away from high voltage lines, and check that a fire extinguisher is installed. The concrete pump car is an equipment that extends the boom to place concrete to far distances, so there is a significant risk of accidents such as the boom falling and the car tipping over. You must conduct thorough safety checks before working with a concrete pump car. I will go through the 4 absolute obligations that must be checked. First, operating, waiting, or access in the lower part of the boom is strictly prohibited. Second, the outrigger shall be extended by 100% before operation. Third, comply with the concreting work radius. Fourth, the end hose must not be extended arbitrarily. You must check these 4 points before operating the concrete pump car. So far, you have learned how to check a concrete pump car. Recently, there have been many accidents involving boom failure of pump cars or failure to adhere to the safety guidelines, resulting in injuries to workers who are working under the area. Please protect your precious lives by conducting thorough safety checks before work. Thank you.